a week about LegalShield. Well, that's 75 new memberships that your team is signing up. Well, as a director, and by that, because you have that quantity, you'll be paid actually at the executive director level. You'll recall you can earn up to $300 for each membership, but let's use the bare minimum. The minimum you'll get paid is $70. That's $9,000 a month going into your bank account because of the 30 people on your team, not 5,000, just 30. That's $108,000 a year in leveraged income. But remember we talked about residual income when you do something once, but get paid over and over again. When those people remember that, and we're paid 1 year advance commissions. What about all the memberships that are paid that stay on the books for after a year? Beginning in the 13th month, for every membership you sign up, as well as every membership your team signs up, you're going to get paid residuals for the life of the membership. Sally and I have been paid well over almost $2 million, and yet most of that income was as a result of my team signing up memberships and people keeping those memberships, and we get paid over and over and over again